amanenin nsɛm no na ewia mrefi.
There are some few situations where I have tried to understand. Me nya me ho nti ase no ene se ye ne etie for ne I have for eche science ase no very very important. Two issues. First one, I have some few Chelsea friends metaini omubon komo about football, and over the weekend na many ebi bon komo trying to make sense why Chelsea will buy old G's be say Warburg more and Jordan Henderson. I think say Jordan Henderson the other day on this platform I have discussed it extensively kakra for people to appreciate the way I'm meeting your mercy. I can't probably done a Warburg there no. Inti as Obia made football a China as an analyst, you try to make sense out of a lot of Enyoma ACC no. This is the picture I get, and reading around has given me some understanding of what really happened. Rich, bare 10 years ago, I can bet say a lot of Nkofo Mutie Sports and didn't know a club called Brighton and Hove Albion. Enti Brighton ankasa Nkofo ti omunkane eye Nansea.
Time at Chelsea crash says omuton place no. And then Nhyira says common.
Now time Nkofo nya knowledge about the club Brighton no. Rich a dear pan Nkofo di nim omo say oh you can Brighton and Hove Albion. The first thing that comes to mind. Fantastic.
Fan low key.
Yes.
Ya be package no.
Yes.
Ya ton.
Into ubusa obia odi football achi nansia. Na kasa oye ni Brighton and Hove Albion mon koma. The first comment e be free ni bakone no mo ba so onim football mu pa. And so because oh, sa team no mo ya ade pa. They bring in players a onti omudinda can make them some stars be na omatunton. So they've done very very good business with Tony Bloom money sa Nkofo no. So that is what Brighton is all about. They've rose to prominence in the Premier League, and the obia enim omo and as omo associate omo dino with, and they say they give opportunities to players around the world who have potential or more talent, you know. Then a farmer warm platform no so they make business out of you. Enti Nkofo betinya bobo a lot of players in recent history. Brighton almost our opportunity now omotwa e de ama other colleagues our Premier League name any around the world. Now Rich, say if that is what ye nyina ye nim say Brighton eye omadwuma dia, then sa foundation no am I entiase why Brighton ebeton Obiti said Daniel Warbeck at 35. It makes sense, and I'm because I'm crying to when I'm paying for. Now, this is my understanding. So, follow Brighton year. Rich, in the last 2 seasons, Omako Greek and Omakofa Charalampus within 19 years as a striker. Then the same Greeks Omakofa Stefanos Zimas on also at the 20 years. And it's our time betting games. You already know the French Jorginho Ruta, who is 24 years. Rich, Sam 90 years say Amabomudi. Brighton eto almost 90 million. Say Brighton echo first strikers miensa. Se say backward the 24, backward the 19, backward the 20 years. Rich, per your knowledge of Brighton, who said DN or the Baba yes I'm 90. He's just coming to give them the platform, package them with value, give them playing time with team. Now, goals. If they are able to score 15 goals, 20, then they go and sell. But Rich, for about 3 seasons, Munier, Sir Brighton and Granada team anymore. Because of Daniel Welbeck, a presence in the team, they don't just bring Enkra, they bring them to blend with Mpenyinfono more team anymore. And Mpenyinfono acting as leaders on the pitch, no more acting as leaders in the dressing room, no more shaping, no more menton crano. But no crane say Brighton will want to give Enkra more playing time because Omo betting me at all Omo. But Rich, Daniel Welbeck presence at Brighton, it's not allowing that. And the anticipation and also the in company level projections, and projection from Brighton is okay. And then we be gidi yini ne ball ne be form until the mum or the mum money be 1 year 2 years ne ball ne be form. Parich in 2024-2025 season, Daniel Welbeck shared 10 goals in 30 matches. Then the following season, which was the last season, were improving at the 13 goals in 37 matches. Now, because of the number of appearances, I have won a contract. Say so. Otimi Mekia at the age he triggers 1 year extension every season. Because of that, in March, Brighton may announce say Oma trigger 1 year extension for Daniel Welbeck because Otimi am making the number of appearances a send a clause no on the contract. Say Otimi Mekia obetimi a trigger 1 year no. Enti Rich Brighton a confirm grabber. But bra penyimbo na obo no. Enti no untimi bench no. Am I the opportunity to play bebre? And it's a obi or Brighton games be Daniel Welbeck ba na edu be bia mumu ansana omo de nkra no mum aba be bobo ni bi no mu se de bi ya we am nkra ne be kadem. But they couldn't just push Welbeck out of the team. And Danny Welbeck any omo be na say in March tamo timi appear na or trigger 1 year na the contract be 2027 now no. Alba preseason ni nyina Rich na ni so de hu nyina ne say o saba bedwumaden na watimi appear the number of appearances also here on clause and trigger to 2028 so that he will continue to be relevant in the team. But the youth policy our Brighton no any of managers no so dwuno ho say akwa we na e de be kwa na beto na ye betimi akasa onko but oh no so oboyen. Rich, then came the Chelsea offer. Why you have cranny a pomatun tom? Ye the other Tony in Srudada. Na king. Ye boy plum. Where more so Chelsea for na Chelsea a crab and a waha. Some yatin away because more the enemy business be break where I money. Moses Cassado Munayani a ton emamo. Ada akrabe bio na mahunu wa ha na mo bepa baleba akọ baleba na kenu so Manchester United na ye tete wa abonti so mo grow no but mo de ye hwe team no sisie ya akrabe anso aba mo Chelsea fo mbe hia no Chelsea for by mo so de bi we de makokra no na ye pe no Rich Brighton for no say sa ene say ya te de ne ye mu nkra ne ton mo sasa panyina mu na say mo se mo pede a
first camera
ne fa ne mamo ne ye ton ne mamo wia na se Daniel Welbeck ni team ni mu a then our Greek guys no and obi say Rutamo can then have the platform to explode the way we want them to explode to reach anya day ama Brighton and Anye Din Ahmad Daniel Welbeck to convince Brighton to let him go. Because at 35 years, I all blocking the shine of Enkra person, you're making business out of them. Not just a mere block, but a performance block na the moment here. And to Chelsea by they had to just give Abrante Daniel Welbeck to team a friend Chelsea na omako akoye business. Now, when I understood the story like this, it made a lot of sense to me. But Rich, what is the biggest lessons I will see every BBC? Especially your clubs in Ghana. There are sometimes we are quick to ship old players to make room for younger ones.
But
Rich, as some of my CCA gives us 2 football administration lessons. Number 1, about a signer, Brighton and Hove Albion, in the contract or money than the Wobeck one. Rich, there is a clause in the contract telling Dan Wobeck say you will only stay here and trigger 1 year extension, and you're more than 1 year, 1 year extension, if utimima this number of appearance. Safu ye to sa say baby yes your football nefrino. They put in performance clauses in players' contracts to get the best out of the players. And see, any mere situation say Dan Wobeck the 35 1 year now team num na yetia wo ka wo. Sa 35 na wodi no. Would way a team why and you must prove to us with your contract clauses why we still need to pay you here. And he said, me also said there are sometimes, Rich, you even watch Danny Wobeck and you're like, hey, now Brenty, Diana Essen Kutupa. So, yes, or Cobaward or Nimquari Bobo Mitoma Motuchino still no Dinamica Besoko headed one because he has to earn every appearance on the pitch and no. And the Bema Netimia court boardroom, I'll catch you so. Muslim appear 30 times. My bomb home, my coach, I'm my appearance of 30 times, and you must reward me. That is something we must learn from. As football Ghana. Then the last thing, and he say, Rich, Obinia, and just say, you start to see in the Pacona say, as only BBR to offer again. There are some things these people can offer. Anya Shekrano say Brighton and yes kakakra and you're free than the Wobeck home. Anya Shekrano ni yes kakra on it and crana spend the year. Rich, he has passed on some knowledge to them, mentorship be to Omo. Oh, and he said, oh, shame my friend, the way we see Omo football now. There are a lot of things we can learn from them. And your club administrators, these are some of the stories. Otia. No one found notes. Now, so what should be to was okay. Sana say, or more advanced, or more, you see the ba ebe boying.
Yeah, hello. Ayala, a problem in I say. Football now, yeah, you know. You always depend on gate process. Into you say support and a player, ye man konya mananqua, support and no stadium. Into whatever supporters in the Bekabia, and you supporters in the Yama in Konya Manako. No, but Rich, too bad. You see. The other side of Asamna can also say the club de Biara ye the champagne for binsa. Yeah. The model now all the run a club no. And no every supporter bia or wabon team bia and was or de a dog club no. And if Uko Englander, a typical Brighton Hove Albion fan, him say or no. Every season bia sa club no make superstar. The model of the club and it's on beton. But the news I didn't say the club no scouting network, And it's so good to the model no more and say, oh, let's allow Moses Casedo to go. Okay, another one Casedo Baba. Yes, let's allow this person to go. And see, the times are club administrators influenced by supporters when they do not have a concrete plan. So who are planning model are run here with consistency. The supporters will come and understand what you are running. I reach those days home. So now we call danceman, so called liberty professionals. The whole community loved the club, but they were one of the best-selling clubs in Ghana. They were not maintaining their stars. They all go, but at any point in time, will bring another superstar. Our yakra, and
Odu na someone say Kim na so kasa ko liberty match. Rich before game the best start no. Important Hong Kong Mudi and say they've already spotted the next Derek Barton in the team. And Ubeko Pakrusuno ya kraketwa. But they know say in some years to come, this guy will blossom very, very soon. And see, these are the stories we learn from. You could clearly see the meticulous, like the details in the way they run their teams. Which made them an usikrano.
Kakrebi.
Okay, Tuebi. Mabeka had I was standing here, and I'm a catcher say Liverpool him say Salah and Chelsea team. And I'm a catcher say in their boardroom they've already planned for players that are lining or more up as Salah a replacement. Yeah. And it's all about Kaisa Denipa. We mentioned the number one William Crasher because it was Michael Olise. Marriage, Emre actually Liverpool say Michael Olise, Omonsankana. They will not get it. Second on their list was Yan Diomande, RB Leipzig. Again, Liverpool made moves. But the moment that Paris Saint-Germain, Real Madrid came in, Liverpool empesa obe participating in sa bidding war na echo Brighton because that could only shoot up the price. Mamen ka se mincho. Rich, it sa se me makabebre in the last 5 years. Se open club a running year pa Liverpool can. They take the right decisions. Liverpool will never pay 100 million for Yando Monday. Simply because Akrano sebi on sudden ye BBI of football. And see Liverpool look at their list and say, ye nya Michael Olise. The competition now when we don't want to get involved because there is no way we will pay close to 100 million for Brighton for what? Said the NYA. But Sieko Barcola Hondia. He is one player since I know both for Lyon Academy. No, he has been on our scouting radar. By Yentini Antono and a Paris Saint-Germain Kotoye. And the Shekran, I'm not trying to call Paris Saint-Germain. Rich, Okobone Homoding about 152 appearances since 2023. Was 39 goals or 37 assists. Now in that Paris Saint-Germain team now, woman, Rich, Wabab on Homoding. He is competing with V Chamo and Desiree Doué. Waji Champions League at Waso. Waji French leagues. He is part of the French national team proper. And so we are Brighton is Syria. Even at the age now, he seems to have won a normal. I'm gonna say winning mentality. What they know compare Yando Amanda. He is a winner, proven winner than Yomande. Until look, Yenko Barcola. And again, say no any yedim komo about Vinicius situation. Rich, any good recruitment team, ABR find the gap before they enter. And they know say Barcola a kind of 2 years contract our Paris Saint-Germain. But they be le quick money le Parisian who have been reporting say Paris Saint-Germain person western the contract. Only the contract extension could be now Brighton are rejected. Why will a young man reject contract extension from the club? It means be a person or make a statement to be and as a person of few. The moment Uber dancer Subanadino, your potential suitors say, okay, this is the right time to move in. Now, Medimanusino, the transfer process, after now, but Rich, it will need some closure. Only the entire. You see, Paris Saint-Germain value Barcola. Say the book. 145 million pounds.
Almost 150.
Liverpool so say they are ready to pay close to 100 million. It means that there's a gap of 45 million. Meaning say anope wo share Fabricia or say afina club to club in common assassin. But the understanding is that asase no based on baby obi agina no Rich, there's a 45 million pounds gap in terms of evaluation they will have to meet during the talk process, you know, to make it happen. Mohamed Salah and Pabuano, Rich, send you TNA. Ye kasa wo na de wo ba be shemu a enyem pabo aketwa nti we will monitor how Liverpool will be able to convince Paris Saint-Germain say omonton Barcola ma omo, and may assure say under Luis Enrique which player be onye committed to stay with the Paris Saint-Germain project. No, Luis Enrique will give the go ahead say oh Mubenya good deal after Abrante and Monton, because after all, what say he's not ready to be with us 100% committed. Inti Munis Kanianko no and a boy Liverpool. Our Paris Saint-Germain at the border some moment. If Liverpool are able to get Bradley Barcola, they've gotten a very, very good player. Very exciting. Or everything I'll bet to me, Eddie, imagine Rich, imagine Barcola, imagine Hugo Iketike, Alexander Ishak in the front three. That's
the gap
yes, that should be good enough. That should be good enough.
Solid.
So be a shiny new man. Now man you say dear Namoye. Obia shiny new man. Obia try to make some statement signing.
Sir Jim, there's me transfer fees now and I'll go on top. 100 million 150. Sir Jim. Oh.
But isn't he supposed to be one of the richest British? Is Manchester United not supposed to be one of the richest clubs? Nancy more qualify for Champions League. Is that not supposed to give you some attraction to players?
Oh, yes, can yes.
Oh, you say that is the difference.
I think so. Previously, there is two Skagu. Sister, my answer then okay, so and also be one of the factors.
So, would you say? Enye man you na enya akono. Enye Carrick.
And
enya akono. Sika spending anam.
Papa no mpeso be.
But enye nansinya na mo CEO Omar. Ekoye interview. Yes, okoye interview ko kan say. Yes, mo be recruitment there. But more lessons are most from the past. I say mum go into any negotiation na you betam a bobi dia shomutrim. Money da ho. That is the reason why you enter into Fernandez on 100 million. And can fan go for you little. So me who dia mo ye no. But you see what that means fundamentally, and say Rich, then you not enter into a competitive recruitment process. Because agents, any players, entourage, and who say that is the only way they can shoot prizes. And the player, no, or everybody saw about Tottenham and you, but some player in the same thing, or be proposing them a Paris Saint-Germain, or be proposing them a Real Madrid. After na obia interest one who basra na player the price, and also na man you for say from the past, no, you don't want to do that now. Rich any. I said Tillemans more. As I make him if you and your man democrat 100, Real Madrid. Listen, no, sir, man, you say, oh, we are not within that space.
Real Madrid 200 million. Now Manchester United and Ayala Champions League.
You don't want to own
100 Nibia. Yeah, Tillemans.
You told we are the currency and now one so.
Okay, Zachariah Simon today. I see there should be a 70-30% image right on in favor of the player, not the club. It's always the Spanish clubs